So the plan is to go from that, which includes years of adding random stuff that doesn't even work or isn't there anymore, to this. So here, we've already changed quite a few things already. That switch, a bilge pump switch, and removed some of the dangerous AC that was in the engine compartment. But we have quite a few holes. And here, if you see behind, we're right in between this bulkhead and the wall of the cockpit. And there's basically no room to work with the wires and everything disconnects. So the goal is to cut this whole thing out, screw that thing in the front of it, and basically have a panel that we can just unscrew, move away, and have all of our cabling accessible. And as well as condense all of those in this single area instead of having breakers behind the sink. So yeah, that's the plan. So I'm just starting by identifying all of my wires there, because we're gonna pretty much take everything out. So that's gonna be the annoying part, because this is plugged to all the batteries and they're basically very close to each other, so that's gonna be fun. Welcome to our engine slash battery slash everything else compartment. Some very tight clearances, but hey, it works. So luckily, it's just, these are all like the power buses, so I'm not in too much danger of shorting anything. But if I drop one of those and it hits the engine, it's gonna like ignite. So everything is out. Now it's time for the big guns. All of the alignments, just gonna mark those holes and install everything, and then can get to wiring everything back. Super happy with how it's looking so far. Now we just have to do all the rest and rewire everything. So the fun begins. do with what I have because I don't have enough of these guys. So I'm doing the essential for today, just cabin lights, well basically all of the cabin electricity. I'm gonna try to get the fridge working, but I'm not sure about this one. Should be good for the fridge. But other than that, I'll basically still have to do all the like outside wiring to the panels. But other than that, should be good to go. So, ta-da! Everything is installed. Bilge pump switch works. Battery tester works. And yeah, for those two, I need to basically make some wires longer, reroute them, because a lot of them were terminated there, maybe like 50 centimeters away. But I have to make them longer now. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today. Hopefully, I'm hoping to get most of those done tomorrow before we leave. And if not, it's going to be a work in progress. So, but yeah, good day of work.